Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through finishing a video. Matter of fact, it's loading right now, and I said I would maybe do one with the block shadow tool. I don't think the block shadow started till Corel X8. I'm using Corel 2018, and it's in it, and I never had 8. But let's just do one with the block shadow. So the block shadow is underneath your drop shadow flyout. And let's just grab this thing and just kind of move it where you visually want it. Now, what you have to do is select it all, go to arrange and break block shadow apart, and then grab it, and I'm going to nudge it down. Let's see how big our item is. It's less than 2 inches, so we'll make our nudge distance 2 inches. We'll grab it and move it down, and this is our interior letters. So I'm going to left click and just get the outline. Now I'm going to left click no fill on the drop shadow and put a hairline. Now I'm going to nudge this back, up, and you could do it further, make it more, but then you could just color fill in your drop shadow, and it does give that illusion that it is standing up, kind of like a 3D letter. Now I would take the outline and turn it from a red to a thicker black. Let's go 2 points. And always kind of remember to set your setting on scale with object in case you make it bigger. And there's that same effect, and it does kind of look like it's risen. And you could even go further and drop shadow the top of the letters, with a gray. And it would really give it a good effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.